With an international presence that spans across 21 countries, Mota-Engil, a multidisciplinary construction and engineering company, has always had a strong relationship with Africa since it was first established in Angola in 1946. With more than 68 years of investment and construction expertise, Mota-Engil has shown its commitment to development on the African continent. Mota-Engil started operating in Malawi in 1990 through its engineering and construction division, rising to the challenge of developing this high-potential economy. The company's ongoing presence in the country in a climate of stability, potential and investment opportunity allowed for considerable expansion of Mota-Engil Malawi. Recognition for credibility, reliability, investment capacity and quality of service opened up the way to the group's growing business. Today, Mota-Engil is the first African company to build a rail line on the African continent in 60 years. Mota-Engil was awarded Section 3 and 5 of the Nacala Corridor project. These sections form part of a railway corridor of over 900 kilometers that connects the coal mining concessions of Moatize to the Nacala harbour, crossing Malawi, making this an essential infrastructure for channeling mineral resources. Section 5 of the Nacala project required the rehabilitation and refurbishing of the existing railway line up to the eastern Malawi-Mozambique border. Section 3 of this project, that started in 2012 and is due for completion in 2014, foresees a brand new railway between the border of Mozambique and Malawi and Ngaya Junction, with very demanding and difficult geography on mixed land with large excavations and embankments. The main line is 136 kilometers in length, single track, 1067 millimeter gauge, designed for speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour. 11 kilometers of crossing loops makes the total length of the line 147 kilometers and includes the construction of 22 bridges totaling 2.41 kilometers, with the longest bridge 340 meters in length. To build 147 kilometers of new railway through undeveloped and varying terrain is a project of massive infrastructural proportions. 6.8 million cubic meters of cuts, 7.4 million cubic meters of fills, 28.5 kilometers of culverts, 2.4 kilometers of bridges, 470 units precast beams, 147 kilometers track laying, 170,000 cubic meters of concrete, 13,000 tons of steel, 17,000 tons of cement, 200,000 meters of soil nails, and 240,000 units of railway sleepers. More than 550 specialized heavy machinery units were brought to Malawi to maximize the efficiency of the project. Mota-Engil implored local knowledge and pooled its engineering prowess and resources to undertake the Nacala project and build infrastructure along crucial points of the alignment to allow for maximum efficiency. To support production activities, the following facilities were built: 2 camps, Mkwinda, the main camp, and Envulo, a secondary camp. 2 quarries, Mgodi and Kanyemba, were established in close proximity to the campsites, and precast factories to supply bridge beams, pipes, box culverts and railway sleepers. Each camp is equipped with accommodation and facilities that provide a quality lifestyle for 640 people, with offices, state-of-the-art communication facilities, a training center, a clinic and a canteen that prepares more than 5,000 meals per day. The camps also boast an industrial area that include a factory for the manufacturing of railway sleepers, beams, pipes and culverts, an on-site steel yard, a superstructure yard, workshop, warehouse, carpentry workshop, fuel station, laboratory and concrete batch plants to ensure that production runs 24/7. At peak production times, Mota-Engil, through its support structures and manufacturing warehouses, can produce 15 units of precast beams, 250 meters of pipe culverts, 13,000 units of sleepers, and lay 7,000 meters of track per week. Through its 2 quarries, it can produce 7,500 cubic meters of ballast, and with strategically placed batch plants, including a mobile plant, 4,000 cubic meters of concrete weekly. As an engineering, procurement and construction contractor, Mota-Engil implemented a number of alternative design solutions to ensure the success of the project. The unique bridge design, construction of large embankments and the use of shotcrete technology ensured project completion within the very demanding contract timeframe. Prefabricated material is transported to the alignment using lorries and mobile gantries to assemble the superstructures. After rail assembly, metal beams are stretched and welded. Tamping machines are used for raising, straightening and tamping track and eliminating voids in the ballast structure. Mota-Engil's engineering and design skills contributed greatly to minimize environmental impact along the alignment, working with commitment to the values of the group, ensuring that quality of work and objectives are achieved. Life matters most, and safety is always first at Mota-Engil. With proper training, safety procedures and a diligent health and safety team, the project can boast 20 million man-hours worked with no work-related fatalities and only 5 minor accidents reported, a world-class health and safety achievement.
My name is João Neto. I'm the contract manager of Section 3 Nacala Corridor project. And a project this magnitude in a country like Malawi, the relationship with the local community is very important. We are continuously doing sensitization campaigns across the villages so that they understand what they are doing, and even employing their villagers in the project so that they can take the ownership of the project as well and benefit directly from the construction of the railway. Health and safety is the key issue on this project. Our lead is life matters most. Our goal is that every day all workers return home to their families safe and sound with no injuries at all. We have zero tolerance on what regards health and safety. That enabled us to achieve a world-class achievement that by now we achieved 20 million man-hours worked with no fatalities and no serious injuries. That is a very big achievement that we are very proud of.
Mota-Engil also engages in sensitization programs with local communities living in close proximity to the railway. Providing safety training and education is key to ensure safety for people crossing the railway. 3,825 jobs were created that contributed to the upliftment and development of rural villages. It shows that Mota-Engil is a company with heart and integrity, working with communities through community liaisons to ensure successful projects. Mota-Engil is rapidly developing and expanding its engineering and construction projects within Malawi, and the Nacala Corridor project is a symbol of excellence within Mota-Engil. Excellence in the capacity and credibility which the company showed to its clients. It is also the dawn of a new horizon, the horizon of great engineering and infrastructure projects, a new dimension and new dynamics that turn Mota-Engil into a respected and key company in Africa. Mota-Engil, the African solution to Africa's challenges.